Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to start 3D printing directly from SOLIDWORKS using the File menu, in a very easy and simple way. You don't need any advanced settings or extra software for basic printing, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's start. Step 1. Open your 3D model. First, open SOLIDWORKS on your computer. Now open the 3D part file that you want to print. Make sure your model is fully solid and error-free. Step 2. Go to File menu. Now click on the File option at the top left corner. From the menu, click on Print. This will open the Print Setup window. Step 3. Select your 3D printer. In the Printer section, select your connected 3D printer. If your 3D printer is not listed, make sure the printer driver is properly installed on your PC. Step 4. Set Print Properties. Now click on Properties or Preferences. Here you can set print quality, layer height, infill type, support settings, material type. After setting everything, click OK. Step 5. Start 3D printing. Now simply click on the Print button. Your 3D printing process will start directly from SOLIDWORKS. You can now monitor the printing from your printer display or PC software. If the print option is disabled, then export your file as STL file using File, Save As. Select STL format, Save. Then open the STL in your 3D printer slicing software and start printing from there. That's it. This is how you can start 3D printing directly from SOLIDWORKS using the File Print method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.